Hi guys, Xavier here with Magnum RT Bumpers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at our Jeep JL rear bumper. Our rear bumpers have a high clearance design which increases your departure angle, allowing you to hit more technical trails as well as giving you great protection to the back and sides of your vehicle. This bumper features sharp corners that give it a modern design while still following the body lines of your JL, providing you a tight and clean appearance. The internal gussets and brackets are all constructed with 1/4-inch steel plate. Our 1-inch solid steel D-ring mounts are fully welded on the inside and outside of the shell as well as to the internal brackets, making them a strong and reliable recovery point. All of our Magnum RT bumpers are finished in a 3-stage powder coat, leaving a tough weather-resistant black textured finish. This rear bumper comes with an integrated LED third brake light as well as license plate mounting locations on both sides of the bumper. We also provide an LED license plate light. It is fully compatible with or without parking sensors. Since it was built for off-road use in mind, we designed the center section to clear up to a 40-inch tall spare tire and added a knot to the bottom of the bumper that will clear your trailer receiver. This bumper was designed to be a direct fit installation that does not require any drilling or cutting. All of the necessary hardware is included for a no-hassle upgrade. All of our Magnum RT bumpers come with a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty on structure and 1-year limited warranty on the finish.